Okay, so this is about 2.5 hours thereabouts since an L4/5 lumbar decompression and stabilisation. So first of all, have you got any pain in your back or legs?
Just a bit of aching where I've actually had the procedure, and very low level sensation in places where there was more nerve pain.
Perfect. And your posture, how do you feel with the posture?
I feel good. I feel like I probably could stand up straighter, but I'm just being a bit careful.
Yes, yeah. But you are standing straight actually.
Yeah. I just know
That's
I've got
fantastic.
more of a dancer's pose.
No, you've got you've got really good posture.
Yeah.
And can I see you walk?
Yes.
There you are. Wow.
Yeah. No.
And then back that way.
Yeah. My gown
So,
there.
yeah, it's all, don't worry, you're all fully covered and decent.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You're looking brilliant. Well done.
Thank you.